Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy TAIKO token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search TAIKO. Click this one. And as you can see, this is the chart of TAIKO. You can also see the information here in the top. You can click info. You will see the volume, market cap, and 24-hour high and low. Also, you can see the audit here. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order, or you can choose instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.